Hi everybody, I'm Brooks of Brooks Tactical Systems, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a grip on your Glock. Be sure to read and follow the instructions that came with your AGrip. The closer you follow them, the easier it is. Okay, that said, let's get started. With your frame clean and ready to go, take your AGrip and lay it down, paper side up, and then peel out the center section like so. And then grab your frame and line it up on the back strap of the grip of your frame so it's centered. And you want to keep it high enough, start it high enough so that when you start wrapping it around, it aligns with the top of the frame. And the bottom aligns with the bottom of the frame. Okay, when you got it started straight, peel off that center set or that other patch of paper and start smoothing it around. And align it as you go. Smooth out the wrinkles as you go. Okay. As you can see, the AGrip material and the adhesive is very forgiving. So that's actually pretty easy. Okay, see that? All right, other side. You want to lay that little tab over the mag catch button and make it look good. Don't be afraid to stretch it a little bit. Put it where it's supposed to go. And peel off that next section of paper. Start wrapping it around and align it as you go. Just like you did on the other side. Lift up your catch, slide catch. Line your AGrip underneath it. And smooth it all down. Wrap it around. Okay. Looks like that. Line it with the bottom of the edge of the mag well opening in the frame, so it's not going to be going into the mag well opening at all. You don't want it to hinder your frame. Tuck the little section in the back. You get everything where you want it, where it's supposed to be. Just rub it down really good and hard. Feels really good. And you're good to go. There you go. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.